Welcome to the channel Easy Trick of Computer Science students, and as well as those students who learn something new in the computer science field and enhance your knowledge. Yesterday the new series number 4 for the portable computers uploaded on the YouTube, and that is the second part of the portable computer series. So who don't see that series part 1, please see that. The link available into the description box. You can check it out. That will definitely helpful for you. In the previous series we discussed about the definition of the portable computers and origin of the portable computer. And in this tutorial we will learn about the origin year-wise of the portable computer, and that tutorial is very helpful for all the competitive exams as well as the practical exams, because most of the peoples, either that person is related to the computer science field or layman, that are totally dependent on the portable devices like laptop, palm top, notebook, tablets, even mobiles also. That's also a very portable device. Now we will learn about the portable computer year-wise 1975 to 1990. The first computer was developed in the 1975 by the IBM company. The name of the computer is IBM 5100 and its release date is September 1975, and after that in 1976 developed the portable computer that is called as a laptop computer, just like, and the person who developed the computer, the name is the Alan Kay, and the machine name is the Xerox Note Taker, and the image is available with every year. So जब भी आप इस ट्यूटोरियल को देखो तो आपको साथ में जब इमेज मिलेगी तो वो और हेल्पफुल रहेगा कि वो कंप्यूटर उस टाइम पे किस तरह की डिज़ाइनिंग का था और किस तरह से दिखता था. एंड दैट कंप्यूटर यूज्ड till 1978, and in 1979 the new design was coming by the Bill Moggridge, जिन्होंने की ग्रिड कंपास नाम की एक मशीन डेवलप की थी जो उस टाइम की मोस्ट पोर्टेबल कंप्यूटर था, एंड इट्स वेरी क्लोजेस्ट टू द दिस एरा लैपटॉप कंप्यूटर. दैट इज़ वेरी क्लोजेस्ट फिगर. That figure is available, that is the grid compass. And the most important aspect with this portable computer is that NASA used that grid compass in their space shuttle program in the early 1980s. So 1979 to till 1980 that grid compass was used, and after that in 1981 the machine name is the Osborne, and released by the person name is Adam Osborne, and the machine weight is only 24.5 pounds and 5-inch display, and that is the true example of the laptop computer because it has the device driver component is available into the Osborne machine. And in 1982 the same computer was used, but in 1983 the new machine was released. That machine name is the TRS-80 Model 100, and the person name who released that machine is the Radio Shack, and it is available on that time into the United States. And it's the good feature is that having the capacity of LCD. It's the good feature. And after that in 1984 the person name is the Commodore released the machine SX64 with his name SX64 Commodore in 1984, and the advantage of this machine is that is full-fledged colored display. And after that in 1986 IBM released their first laptop, that name is the PC Convertible, and it's also available in the color display. After that in 1987 the company Hewlett Packard released the first laptop for the computer science students, and the laptop name is series is the Vectra Portable. And after that, in 1988, the computer laptop released by the Compaq company, and the series is SLT 286, and it was the first battery powered laptop जिसमें VGA ग्राफिक्स भी था, जो कि कलर्ड LED और LCD की बात की थी मैंने, वो भी अवेलेबल था। एंड साथ में स्टोरेज के लिए इंटरनल हार्ड ड्राइव भी दी गई थी, जो कि पहले वाले लैपटॉप्स में नई अवेलेबिलिटी थी। एंड इन 1989 एप्पल कंपनी ने अपना फर्स्ट लैपटॉप रिलीज़ किया, जिसका नाम दिया गया मैकिंटोश पोर्टेबल कंप्यूटर, and that was released in the September 1989. and in 1989 में ही NEC ने भी एक अल्ट्रा लाइट फर्स्ट नोटबुक स्टाइल लैपटॉप रिलीज़ किया था, जिसका की वेट बहुत ही कम था, इट्स टोटली 5 pounds, क्योंकि इससे पहले जितने भी आए थे वो लैपटॉप स्टाइल में आए थे, कुछ कॉम्पैक्ट थे, कुछ कॉम्पैक्ट नहीं थे। और नोटबुक साइज़ का एक लैपटॉप फर्स्ट जो बनाया था वो 1989 में NEC ने बनाया था। एंड ये ट्यूटोरियल में हमने सीरीज़ पढ़ी है 1975 to 1990। सो ये ट्यूटोरियल में सीरीज़ हमने 1975 to 1990 तक पढ़ ली है ना, तो मैं चाहती थी कि ज़्यादा बर्डन ना आप लोगों पे डाला जाए, तो पहले आप इतना अपने माइंड में सेटअप बिठा लो, फिर कल जो ट्यूटोरियल आपको मिलेगा उसमें आगे का ऑनवर्ड्स सीरीज़ भी अवेलेबल होगी। टिल देन टेक केयर, स्टे सेफ एंड स्टे कनेक्टेड, and kindly do share and subscribe.